Hi, this is Sriparna, and in the last video we have talked about the basic introduction about Microsoft's Kinect sensor and already told you that on the next video, that is today, we are going to see how actually Microsoft Kinect sensor looks like and how you can operate it to get the data. So Microsoft Kinect sensor, as you can see from the particular video, that it looks like a horizontal bar with a motorized base, and it has IR camera, visible RGB camera, an IR projector and a multi-array microphone. So let's start the particular video. Just see over here, you can see that a light is being ejected. That means that light has been glowing. So this is basically the IR projector. Here it's not the light, it's the IR, that is the infrared. So that is being going out from the particular sensor. So this is basically the IR projector. Now as there is a IR projector, there must be a IR receiver. So that is at the rightmost thing that you can see, that is the IR projector, and in between the two there is the RGB camera. So this is the IR receiver. Okay, so IR projector is there where the light you can see, and this is the IR receiver, and in the between IR projector and IR receiver, this you can see right now, this is the RGB camera. Now just you can see there is a light is blinking within the IR projector and RGB camera. So this is the LED light that shows that the Kinect sensor is able to get the required power. So this is the functionality of the LED. Now let's continue. So this is the LED. Now the Microsoft Kinect sensor, as you can see, it has a motorized base and it looks like a black horizontal Kinect. Here we are talking about the Xbox 360, and in the below there you can see just this is the multi-array microphone that is there in the Microsoft Kinect sensor to record the voice gestures. Now we are going to see that what different types of output you can get from the Kinect sensor. Here at the leftmost part you can see that is the depth data, and in between that is the skeleton that is being captured by the Kinect sensor, and in the rightmost this is the RGB output. Okay, so now let's start. And the frame rate here you can see that is the 29. So that frame rate is going to be changed right now, as we are just running the inbuilt function. If we can write a code in the Visual C++, we can make this sampling rate at a fixed point. Okay, so this is about the Microsoft Kinect sensor. So let us just recapitulate. This is the light, so this is the IR projector. Then after the IR projector you can see this is the IR receiver. Then in between the IR projector and the IR receiver, here this is the RGB camera. Now just see, this is the RGB camera. This is for Xbox 360, and the light that is glowing, that is the LED light that shows the Kinect sensor is getting the adequate power, and it has a multi-array microphone. Just see, it is in the below part of the Microsoft Kinect sensor, and it has a motorized base such that you can rotate or tilt the Kinect sensor at a desired position to record the human gestures properly. And the outputs, these are the three different outputs that you can obtain. Here basically you can see there are 20 body joint coordinates that is being recorded by the Kinect sensor, and the 20 body joint coordinate you can see over here from the middle of the picture, that is the 20 body joint coordinates that are being currently recorded by the Kinect sensor. This is the skeleton viewer inbuilt software, not the inbuilt software, that is basically you can easily download from the software development kit provided by the Kinect sensor, or from the Microsoft website you can download that particular thing. There you are going to get particular button called, after installing the program, you are going to see there is a skeleton viewer option is there. If you run that skeleton viewer, then you are going to get the skeleton viewer, and this skeleton that it combines the output obtained from the IR sensor, that is the depth information that is at the left portion, and the right portion the RGB output, and combining both the IR and the RGB, the skeleton is generated. So thank you everyone, and I hope you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, please do that, and thank you so much.